Alright, so I'm coming and doing this video because I know right now it's like a trend to shop black owned. Alright, so a lot of people, when I watch their all black owned videos, all black owned makeup company videos, what's that meme where the person is clenching their fist? Like, okay, whatever that meme is when they're clenching their fist. Every time I watch those videos, I always see somebody bring up a company that's not black owned. It may be marketed to black consumers, but it's definitely not black owned. I just want to bring awareness. I don't want to like knock any of these companies down. That's not my mission. That's not my goal. That's not what this is about. I just want people to be aware, okay? So yeah, if you have any questions about any of these companies, leave the questions down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so let's talk about the makeup companies that are not black owned, but a lot of people think that they are. Number 1, Milani Cosmetics. It's not black owned, you guys. I know you guys are thinking, oh, it sounds like melanin, so no. Milani Cosmetics is not black owned. It's owned by an Asian woman. Okay, so stop. Number 2, BlackUP Cosmetics. Now you guys, BlackUP Cosmetics used to be black owned. They are no longer black owned. Okay, so stop. Number 3, and I even made this mistake back in the day, you guys. Back in the day. Sacha Cosmetics, you guys. Sacha Cosmetics is not black owned, alright? It is person of color owned. I believe the person is an Indian. He's from Trinidad. Yeah, the person is Indian from Trinidad, but they're not black. Okay, so I made that mistake when I first started out saying Sacha Cosmetics was black owned. I even have it in one of my videos. It's not black owned. Okay. Something else that's going to get to you guys. Alright. And this is number 4. Black Radiance. Black Radiance is not black owned, you guys. Black Radiance is white owned. It's not black owned. It's not black owned. Okay. So stop. Stop including it in your all black owned companies video. It's not, okay? And then the last one, and you guys are going to come for me for this one, but it's true. It's true. Fenty Cosmetics is not black owned, you guys. I know. Rihanna owns a portion of it. She owns, I believe, 15% of it. But there's a bigger company that owns 85% of it, you guys, and they're not black. Okay, so as much as we love all of these, you guys, they're not black owned. Now they may be marketed to black consumers, but they're definitely not black owned companies. So I just wanted to bring this video so you can be informed, alright, so you can be aware, because I know a lot of people are really looking to buy black owned companies, makeup companies. I've featured several on my channel. So I'm going to leave my playlist up above so you can see some of those black owned companies I have featured for hair and makeup companies. These 5 that I mentioned are not black owned, so just shop wisely. I'm not saying that you can't shop with them, okay? I'm not saying that you can't shop with these 5 companies. I shop with all of them, you know, I use all of their products. Alright, but again, if you are knowingly trying to shop black owned, these 5 are not technically black owned. Okay, they're not. Okay, I know I've made the same mistake, you guys. Like, okay, so like Black Opal. Black Opal used to not be black owned, but now Black Opal is black owned. Okay, does that make sense? Yeah. Is that clear? Alright, they used to not be black owned, but now they're black owned. So just be, you know, do your research, ask questions. Google is your friend, you know, look it up, all right, if you really want to be informed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, all right, and I will see you in another video.
It's LC the Beat God.